All right, now we're doing TryIt problem number 4 in section 1.1. And this one's talking about where is the function increasing and decreasing. And again, the best way to do this one is just by looking at the graph. So when I look at the graph, I can see that the function is going down. So if I were riding on a roller coaster and I were on this function, and I would be going down the function this way. So roller coaster, that's the bottom of the hill, okay? That's after you've climbed the top of the hill, which is your increasing function. So here I am on my roller coaster going up, 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 waiting to get to the top so I can have that really fun free fall. So the increasing function is when I'm going from left to right. I'm going up. It's a positive graph. Think about the slope again on a line. So our slope dude, positive, if you remember slope dude, positive and negative. Okay, so positive is my increasing, the blue line, and negative is that red. So let's turn him into red. Red, the decreasing line. Okay, so now we have to write that in interval notation. So our increasing is the blue part. We'll write that one in blue. So where is that point? What point is this? Right here. That point is where x is equal to 2. So that's going to be where we start our roller coaster at 2, and then we go to infinity, and that's how we increase, okay? Now our decreasing function, the decrease of our function is this guy, and it starts at, we'll put it right here, negative infinity, and then it goes all the way down to that point 2. Now we don't include the point 2 because what's happening at point 2 where x is equal to 2? Absolutely nothing. It's neither increasing nor decreasing. It's the bottom of the hill. You've just finished your roller coaster ride. You're getting ready to go back up to another hill, and it's the bottom of that hill that nothing's happening. You're neutral. So that one does not get included. So we have parentheses at 2, and we have parentheses at 2 on both parts, the increasing and the decreasing. So take a minute to check that out because that graph's going to disappear in a moment so I can put the other graph up. All right, so here is B, and B is kind of fun because it's all the same. You notice that it's not climbing at all. It's kind of like you're on a slide. So if you're sliding down, are you ever increasing? So you're never increasing. You are decreasing the entire time. So I am always falling down. I am always sliding down the slide. I am always enjoying the roller coaster. So this time, our interval is really easy because it starts at negative infinity all the way back here and all the way forever and ever. I'm falling forever and ever and ever and ever. And my function is decreasing. Again, it goes back to our slope dude. Remember this guy. Okay, my slope is negative. Negative is a decrease. If my slope were positive, then I would be an increasing function.